Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Sundaram S teacher. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganit Tutor MS. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. I'm going to solve the problem. Exercise 3.5, fourth problem, subdivision number 4, chapter 3, 10th standard. Clear? Actually, what they given in this problem, places A and B are 100 kilometers apart a highway. Once a car starts from A and the another from B at the same time. If the car traveled in the same direction at a different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. So what are the speed of the two cars? Clear? So the first condition, the places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on the highway. So the distance between the two places of A and B, that is 100 kilometers. Then one car starts from A. So a car A, we can consider the car A, it can be start from the place A. And one more car is start from the place B at the same time. It is in the same time. If cars travel in the same direction, right? The both cars travel in the same direction, maybe towards right or towards left. Both are in the same direction with a different speed, right? The different speed. Then after that they will meet in a 5 hours. And the first condition is if the car travels in the same direction at the different speed, they will meet in 5 hours. Clear? The second condition, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two cars? Clear? In this problem, we can find out the speed of the two cars. Here, right? Clear? Easiest problem, and also, moreover, it is an important one and very easiest one. Actually, what they given in this problem, places A and B 100 meters apart from the highway. So we can consider the place A here and 100 meter. After the 100 meter, that is place B. Clear? Next, one car start from A. So we can consider the car name also A. So car A and another car B start at the same time from the places A and B. The car travel in the same direction in a different speed. Clear? So same direction. So both car, here also one car, here also one car. They started to travel in a same direction, maybe towards left or towards right. Clear? So here I just consider towards right side. Now the distance between the two places is 100 kilometers. So after traveling a few distance, they will meet after the 5 hours. They will meet here in this place. I don't know where is the place it is. So we can consider some place that is a C. They can meet here. When after the 5 hours, crossing some distance, right? Here is some distance, they crossed it some distance. I don't know what's the kilometer here. So how many distance they crossed it. So here I just simply take it as a D. Distance, some distance. See, both they crossed it some distance. After distance within the 5 hours, they will meet at a point C, that is A and B. They meet. Clear? First condition. You all clear? Any doubt? Clear? Next. So now it is a first condition. So from the first condition, we can find out the speed of A and B. Clear? So before we enter to the problem, the speed of, how we can write the speed? The speed is calculated by distance taken by time. Clear? The distance, crossing distance divided by time. That is the speed. So here I just consider the speed of car A, that is SA. Let SA be a speed of car A and SB be a speed of car B. Clear? Any doubt? So first car speed SA is equal to distance by time. Clear? So how many distance he crossed the car A distance is, car A is here. It crossed the whole distance here. It will come this side here, right? So total distance is 100 plus some distance. So 100 kilometer plus some distance divided by the total timing duration is taken by 5 hours. So 5 hours. Clear? Any doubt? The same thing for car B speed. So speed of B car. Clear? Now what it is? Speed. That is a distance by time. What is the distance now? Distance. That is a D. Only D, right? So D divided by this duration 5 hours. 5 hours. Clear? Any doubt? Now you can simplify into the general form. Very easiest one. 5 into SA, 5 into SA. I am doing here as a cross multiplication. Then 100 plus D. Next step, 5 times of SA is equal to 5 times of SA minus D minus 100 equal to 0. Next, here 5 into speed of B equal to D. Clear? Any doubt? Now, instead of B, you can 5 times of SB, that is 5 times of SB is equal to D. Clear? Any doubt? Now we can substitute this D in this equation. Clear? So 5 times of SA minus, instead of this term value, actually we know that substitution method. So in this D alone we can substitute here. So 5 SB minus 100 equal to 0. Clear? Any doubt? Next, 5, we can take a 5 as a common one. So SA minus SB minus, when you are taking 5 from 100, actually how many times of 5 should be there in 100? That is a 20 times equal to 0. So next, SA minus SB minus 20 equal to 0, that is equation number 1. Clear? Clear? Actually, from the first equation, from first condition alone, we find out this. Clear? Actually, what is the first condition? The two cars traveled towards the same direction at the same time with a different speed. So, from this condition alone, I find out the first equation. Clear? There is a second condition. Second condition is nothing but what is given here. If they traveled towards each other, actually, car A, here, car B. That is the place A and place B. We can consider the name also car A, car B, right? Now, they towards each other. They are traveling towards each other. So, A should become this side, B also towards this side. Clear? So, the total distance we know that it is 100 kilometer. Clear? And they meet in 1 hour. So, when they are coming towards this each other, they will meet in 1 hour. Clear? How much distance car A crossed that and how much distance car B crossed that? Clear? Now, but within the 1 hour they will meet each other here, right? So, I don't know how much it is crossed there. So, here I just take the crossing, how much car A crossed that, that is a D. Clear? So, total kilometer is 100. Car A crossed D kilometers. For example, it may be 60 means surely the car B crossed 40 kilometers, right? Here I just take it as a D. So, what about car B crossed that is 100 minus D. Clear? Because the total distance is 100 here. Real clear? So, next step, now we can find out SA, that is the speed of car A equal to distance traveled, distance, how much distance is traveled, that is a D distance. So, D by time taken 1 hour. Now, SA equal to D. Second one, SB, that is the speed of car B. It traveled distance 100 minus D time 1 hour. So, next step, SB equal to 100 minus D. Here now D equal to SA, right? Now you can substitute this, instead of D value you can put SA. So, SB equal to, here SB equal to 100 minus the D value, instead of D value you can put SA. So, SA. Next, SB minus SA will come this side, became a plus SA equal to 100. So, next step as usual, SB, right in order, SA minus, plus SB minus 100 equal to 0. I just simply rearrange the terms. Clear? SA should be first one, second one SB minus constant term equal to 0. Now we can mark it as equation number 2. Clear? So, from the second condition, we find out the equation number 2. This one is the first condition equation, that is equation number 1. Now we have equation 1 and 2. Now you can simplify this equation 1 and 2 by any algebraic method. We can go with cross multiplication method. Clear? So, here I wrote both equations again. That is equation number 1, equation number 2. Now we can solve this by cross multiplication method. Clear? So, cross multiplication method. So, in this cross multiplication method, what is the first step of a cross multiplication method? We should write A1, B1, C1 and repeat the same thing, A1, B1, C1. Next line, A2, B2, C2, repeat the same thing, A2, B2, C2, the same thing. Now, A1 is the coefficient of first variable. That is, here it is SA, but in a frequent problem, we take it as in the previous problem and all, we can take it as a x, y. But here the x is SA, y is SB. Clear? Now, A1 is the coefficient of this variable. So, 1, here minus 1, here minus 20. 20 minus 20 is a constant term. So, now we can repeat the same thing again. 1 minus 1 minus 20. So, from the first equation, I computed. Second equation, here 1, here plus 1 minus 100. Again repeat the same thing. 1 plus 1 minus 100. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Next, you can cancel the first one as well as last one. Now, x in between the terms, you can write x by, y by and 1 by. Clear? Now, x divided by cross multiplication. Minus 1 into minus 100. Then subtracted by minus cross multiplication of this 2. 1 into minus 20 equal to y by minus 20 into 1, then this 2, that is minus of minus 100 into 1 equal to 1 divided by 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. Clear? Any doubt? Next step as usual, x divided by minus 1 into minus 100 plus 100 minus 1 into 20 minus 20. So, minus of minus plus. Here plus 20. Here I skipped a one step, right? Equal to y divided by minus 20 into plus 1 minus 20. Now, minus 100 into 1 minus 100. So, minus 100 minus of minus 100 plus 100 equal to 1 divided by 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So, minus of minus 1 plus 1. Clear? Any doubt? Clear? Next step, x divided by 100 plus 20, 120, which is equal to y divided by minus 20 plus 100, it became a 80. Difference sign, subtraction, other number sign, equal to 1 by 1. Sorry, 1 by 1 plus 1, it is 2. Clear? Now, 2. Any doubt? Next, we can equate first term and last term and second term and last term. Clear? So here x divided by 120 equal to 1 by 2. Next, y divided by 80 is equal to 1 by 2. Next, cross multiplication, x into 2, 2x equal to 120, x is equal to 120 divided by 2. Clear? Next, here 2 into y, 2y equal to 1 into 8, 8. So, y is equal to 80 divided by 2, not 8, 80. So, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, that is 40. So, y is equal to 40. Here, x is equal to 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are, so 60. Clear? So, we find out the x value as 60, y value as 40. Here, actually, in this problem, the x is right. Actually, in this problem, the variable is SA and SB. So, instead of x and y, sorry, here I did mistake, that is SA, SB. Here also SA, SB. Clear? The same thing. Here also SA, SB, SA, SB. Clear? Actually, instead of SA, I put here x. Instead of y, I can put here SB. Instead of SB, I can put here y. Clear? Now, the small changes, you can change it. The same changes here. SA, it is SB. Here also SA. So, as usual, SA. So, SA equal to 60. So, we find out SA equal to 60. Here also SB. So, 2 times of SB. So, 2 times SB is equal to 60. So, here SB equal to 40. Clear? Any doubt? The easy one. Clear? Now, we find out SA is a speed of, we all know that SA is the speed of first car A. SB is the speed of a second car, that is car B. Clear? So, now SA is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. SB is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Clear? So, the speed of the cars 60 kilometer per hour and 40 kilometer per hour. Clear? Any doubt? I hope in this video you made clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Here I will enclose a few problems for practice. You can practice the problem. While practicing the problem, if any doubt, you just ask in a comment. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you all of you.